Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile KR. First, you'll need to download the game. The easiest way is through a trusted third-party app store like TapTap, or directly from the Korean Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you have access. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of RAM and sufficient storage for optimal performance. Once installed, simply log in or create a new account to jump into the action. PUBG Mobile KR offers some unique advantages over the global version. You'll find exclusive events and cosmetic items, often unavailable elsewhere, making your character truly stand out. The game also features a distinct currency system, including Donkatsu medals, which can be exchanged for special crates and rewards. Expect a highly competitive environment with quick matchmaking, ensuring you're always in the thick of the action. To master PUBG Mobile KR, focus on strategic gameplay. Always aim for high loot zones like Pachinki or military base at the start to secure superior weapons and armor. Constantly check your minimap to anticipate enemy positions and the shrinking safe zone, giving you a tactical edge. Dedicate time in the training ground to refine your aiming and recoil control, which is crucial for winning those intense firefights. Optimizing your game settings can significantly enhance your PUBG Mobile KR experience. Experiment with graphics options to find the perfect balance between stunning visuals and a smooth, high frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second. Tailor your control layout to your preferences, perhaps using a 4-finger claw grip for advanced maneuvers. Fine-tune your sensitivity settings for precise aiming and rapid responses, giving you an edge in every engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.